if you want to live a decent and luxury life in Delhi, Bangalore or any big city, you need various sources of income, and of course you have 24 hours. You can't give whole day working, it's not executable, so you need passive income, of course. So in this video I'm going to share some of the ideas through which I make passive money and would be looking forward to make passive money, because passive money is important. So our first thing is books and templates. I've categorized it because you have to categorize it as one, because you have to work on it for once and then you can get earnings just through marketing and sales happening. So this is one of the beneficial things that you can work on to book. Again, if you have a marketing channel, if you have a YouTube, you have LinkedIn, and you feel like you can market your books well and you can sell them, go for it. Ebooks leave you with a good margin, sell it on Gumroad, Topmate, anywhere. Templates like cold email LinkedIn templates and other templates, they also work magical. Cold emailing templates for freelancers, for interview, for like internships, for jobs, and other templates for resume, CV, they literally work like magic. And if you have audience related to that and if you feel like you can market it really well, go for it. A good source of passive income. Another second point is courses. Courses doesn't need to be in terms of graphic designing or anything like that. You can create course around your specific field also. Like if you are HR and you want to जो ग्रेजुएशन कर रहे हैं कॉलेज में, इट्स लाइक अ प्रॉपर डिग्री, बट इफ यू आर ऑन लिंक्डइन, you are sharing content related to HR and all that stuff, you can interview new people like who want to get into industry. You can give them hands-on experience के interview कैसे होती है, then what challenges do they face, how to prepare for interview, then challenges do they face, and you can just prepare them for the real world and they are going to pay you. This would come through if you have a personal brand on LinkedIn, if you are connected with those individuals, if you are telling people that you know these skills, तभी आपके पास clients आएंगे, आपके पास students आएंगे ना. But you can tell them. And if you are like a student also of a specific college, for example, let's take it as Hindu college, and you want to tell other people, new fresher, people who are in 12th grade right now, कि ये college कैसा है and all that stuff, you can charge them. You can charge them on Topmate. You can offer them consultation. You can offer them guide. कि if you are want to apply for BA program, also start with this thing. This is going to help you. This is going to help you. Because जो advice आपको seniors से मिलती है ना, that is unbeatable. But of course इसके लिए you need a personal brand, a good personal brand, and ये properly passive income में नहीं आ रहे हैं because I have that as like live training. But of course अगर आप इसको in a form of course कर सकते हो, it's not very difficult, it's not impossible, हो सकता है, literally हो सकता है. And if you can make it in a form of course, of course you can make handsome amount through that. Third option is stock market. Invest in stocks जो आपको dividend pay कर रहे हैं. Simple. If you don't want to do trading and you don't want to invest so much and you don't want to take that pressure कि हाँ रोज stock market analysis देखूँ, रोज trading के बारे में सीखूँ and all that stuff, invest in stocks जो आपको dividend pay कर रहे हैं. This would be executable of course once you have certain amount of money. It's not there for students, but of course you can make handsome amount earning through dividends. And there are companies who give dividends throughout the year. Like there are specific companies who pay in January, some are there in Feb, and if you find those companies good as per your analysis, you can invest in that. And dividends are a good way to earn. And of course जब आप share sell करोगे, at that point जो amount मिलेगा, that too is your long term capital gain, and the little amount you will get as passive income is also good. Next is affiliates. You can work on affiliates. आजकल तो it was like, I don't know, I'm not getting the name of that trading platform. वो अच्छा affiliate commission देता है if somebody opens Demat account with their app through your affiliate link. So affiliates work literally well. But of course आप एक एक करके affiliate sell नहीं कर सकते हो. इसके लिए भी you need a personal brand or you need a medium through which you can promote those affiliate links. And the fifth one, my favorite, and I want to work on this personally, but अभी time constraints आ रहे हैं, technology constraints आ रहे हैं, monetary constraints आ रहे हैं, but I'll work on this for sure. This is an app or a software. App or software like कि आप एक बार वो ऐप तैयार कर दो, you would need modifications coming up, but हाँ एक बार ऐप तैयार हो गया and you can sell it out. Again, you would get a subscription or like one-time fee and you can keep on selling it. For example, you can make a app जैसे रेस्टोरेंट्स होते हैं, you can place and make an app. अभी भी सॉफ्टवेयर्स हैं, I'm just giving an example, जिसमें you put that order, आपका ही सॉफ्टवेयर उनको बिल जनरेट करके देगा, they'll pay the bill, मतलब बिल जनरेट हो जाएगा उनके लिए. एंड द अदर थिंग इज वो आपका एक्सेल शीट या आपके सॉफ्टवेयर में समथिंग के साथ कनेक्टेड होगा जो उनके इन्वेंट्री मैनेजमेंट को देखेगा, जो उनकी कॉस्ट को सेग्रीगेट कर देगा. एट द ईयर एंड उनको वो एक P&L स्टेटमेंट लाइक आफ्टर 15 डेज भी दे देगा, उनका इन्वेंट्री मैनेज करवा देगा कि राइट नाउ यू हैव सोल्ड लाइक okay, if you are selling like let me take kurkures for example. It's you are making it and you feel like I have to maintain 50 packets of kurkure as my inventory. जब you brought new stock and minimum is 50, अब नया stock आया, that is 200. It is getting sold and it is getting entered into your Excel system or your system that you have made. And after it has reached to like 50, it will give you alert like you need to get this, otherwise you will be in a bad situation. And this is set up like कि इन्वेंट्री आने में कितना टाइम लगता है, कुरकुरे तो आप यहाँ से ला के ले आओगे, ओके. बट हाँ, इफ़ वी टेक अ रियल एग्जाम्पल कि इफ़ आई एम गेटिंग दिस रॉ मटेरियल फ्रॉम सिटी 200 किलोमीटर्स अवे एंड अभी ये क्राइसिस हो सकते हैं, और यू हैव अ लाइक सिस्टम ना, यू हैव अ कैलकुलेशन कि मैक्सिमम से मैक्सिमम 10 दिन लग सकते हैं, तो वो आपको अलर्ट दे देगा कि 50 पैकेज से मेरे 10 दिन चल जाएंगे एंड नाउ यू हैव टू ऑर्डर दैट. देन इन मैक्सिमम, आई एम जस्ट गिविंग एन एग्जाम्पल. सो दिस इज़ अ ग्रेट थिंग एंड इस पर यही है. बट अगर टेक्नोलॉजी अच्छी है, प्लेटफॉर्म अच्छा है, आइडिया अच्छा है, क्योंकि तभी रेकरिंग सेल्स होंगी थ्रू वर्ड ऑफ माउथ, थ्रू पर्सनल सेलिंग एंड ऑल दैट. बट हाँ, इसमें प्लेटफॉर्म अच्छा होना ज़रूरी है. बट ऑफ कोर्स यू कैन मेक हैंडसम अमाउंट थ्रू दिस, थ्रू ईयरली सब्सक्रिप्शन और वट एवर मॉडल you want to sell through. And yes, we are done with this video. In this video I had shared like 5 to 6 ways of making passive money, and I hope you like them. And I'm also going to work on those. Some I'm working on and more I'm going to work on. So this is Samiksha Juneja signing off. Do subscribe and share my channel.